Hello guys, in this video, I will show you how to do a quick skip on OmeTV easily. So please watch the full video and don't skip any part. First open your browser and search for SplitCam on Google. Go to the official website and download it. After downloading, open the file and install SplitCam. Once the installation is finished, it will open automatically and you will see an interface like this. Now go to the settings and click on additional. Here, rename SplitCam virtual camera to HD webcam G20. Click save and close the settings. SplitCam will ask for a restart, so restart it. After that, simply close SplitCam. Next, right click on this PC and open Device Manager. Find your real webcam and disable it. Now minimize Device Manager and open your browser. Go to the OmeTV and you will see that SplitCam is now working with OmeTV. This happens because the only available camera on my PC is SplitCam. Now open YouTube and search for an OmeTV loading screen. Choose this one and download it. After downloading, close the YouTube tab but keep the OmeTV tab open. Now open SplitCam again and add the downloaded OmeTV loading screen as a video source. Then open Device Manager once more and enable your real webcam. Now add your webcam to SplitCam. If you see an error or your camera doesn't appear, just restart SplitCam. After restarting, you should be able to add your camera without any problem. Now drag the loading screen layer on top of your webcam. When you click the hide button on the loading video, you will notice a paired effect. To remove this, click on the three dots, go to Effects and open Transition. Set the transition to none, then save and close. Now there are no effects and it looks like real skip. Now open OmeTV and arrange your browser and SplitCam like this. If you have two monitors, it will be much easier to use. After that, start chatting on OmeTV and when a user connects, simply enable the OmeTV loading screen in SplitCam. Now it looks like you skipped them. I hope you understood the idea of this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching.